Hi, my name's Charlie Wall from J-Tech. I'm going to show you how to change an input shaft on an Eaton transmission. First thing you want to do is take a 9/16 socket, pull off all the bolts off this ring. Next, you want to slide it off. After that, you want to pull the snap ring off right here. Like so. Take the snap ring pliers. Sometimes it's a little pain. Sometimes you might need to take a flathead screwdriver, get it behind it. Alright, like so. Set it off to the side. Alright, next thing you want to do is take and slide it out a little bit, the bearing if you can, and get this snap ring off. Sometimes they're a pain. Alright, pull it off like so. Next thing you want to do is get the puller. Make sure the bolt is all out so that we can slide it under. You want to slide it over the input shaft until it's flush. And this is a 2-piece. You want to slide that one piece over that so it holds it together. Take it and you line it up like so. Then you take your lock ring, slide it in there like so. Then you take a 13/16 wrench. I like snugging it up first just so that way less turns on the wrench. Like so. And then you just turn. Don't drop it like that. Alright. Then you can release the bearing. Like so. Now inside here, there's a spacer. Make sure you put that back. Alright, and you come in here, and there's another lock ring that actually holds it into place. So you pull it out, and go. Alright, after you pull it off, the input shaft should come out. Alright, now we're going to reinstall it. You want to take and line up the teeth. There, that's the main shaft. So you want to line it up in there. Take that same snap ring that you used, put it in there, line it up, and then slide it in there. Are you good? Yeah. Alright. Now you get it lined up in there, like so. Alright, next thing you want to do is take your bearing and the lock ring that we took on it, and you want to line it up. Alright, you want to put that lock ring back on there like so. Now remember that spacer that we have? Make sure you put that back. Alright, slide it up in there. Now this is a bearing seater.
So this piece here has one of the...
I'm going to take it, lightly tap it, and then you need to wiggle wiggle the input shaft out a little bit. And repeat the process. Until you see that spot where we took that lock nut last. Now that you got it seated, where you can get the lock ring on there, put the lock ring up in there. Right up. Like so. Make sure it falls in the seat. Alright, now take that plate that we took off earlier. Make sure that you line up the oil holes. This little slot here. And you slide it on.
When you would inspect your bearings,
Slide it up in there.
your tank as well.
And then replace the bolt.
This one is still fairly
And that's how you replace an input shaft on a Eaton transmission.
Next we have to